Using the Feature Manager in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into Web Host Manager, WHM. Now let's learn about the Feature Manager and how you can use it to help create hosting accounts. Click the Packages link. Then click the Feature Manager link. Feature Manager lets you assign a custom set of features to a specific package. The first thing we must do is create a feature list name. Enter a feature list name here. Click the Add button. This is a list of all the features available in cPanel and, by default, most are selected. But we want to create a custom feature list where not all features will be available to certain accounts. So let's go ahead and make changes in the feature list. When finished, click Save. That's it. We've just created a custom feature list. Click here to go back to the Feature Manager. From here, we can edit the feature list we just created. In order to use the feature list we created, it must be linked to a specific package. Click the Packages link here. Then click Edit a Package. Select the MyBiz123 Silver package, then click Edit. Select the feature list we created here. Then click Save Changes. That's it! Now, anytime we create a hosting account and assign it to the Silver package, the account will only have those features available to it that we assigned when we first created the test feature list. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use the Feature Manager tool in conjunction with account packages to limit the availability of features to certain accounts.